How to reduce background noise of a video on InShot. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, launch your InShot application, then go to video, tap on new, select the video you want to denoise, tap on tick, and after that go to its audio. Or then simply go to its volume, then tap on denoise, and after that select. After this process, your video will be denoised and all the background noises that are present in your video will be removed. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.